A very good morning to all, dear children. Your political science teacher is here to teach you about your political science chapter number 5, challenges and restoration to Congress system, part 4. Till now you have understood very clearly that what were the challenges for Congress system after the death of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and series of events till now when there is competition between Morarji Desai and Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister, and our next topic is split in Congress. I have explained this split previously to make you understand the previous topic, how these elections were there and how these syndicates and others made Indira Gandhi Prime Minister as our Prime Minister over there, and what were the reasons behind that. This split in Congress was in two ways, Congress O and Congress R. R related to Indira Gandhi and O related to syndicates, and it is mostly question syndicates versus Indira Gandhi that is there. Now syndicates were the senior leaders, right? And I would like to take the name of K. Kamraj, former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, S.K. Patel, Bombay City leader, powerful leader from Bombay City, S. Nijlangappa from Mysore, Karnataka, Ms. Gappa bolte hain usse, and Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy from Andhra Pradesh, Atulya Ghosh from West Bengal, and Lal Bahadur Shastri and Indira Gandhi. They have their own position from the different from the syndicates, right? And these were the leaders K. Kamraj, Gappa, and this one Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Very fantastic story is there when we talk about election, presidential election. अभी ये सब कुछ तो चल नहीं रहा था, कांग्रेस स्प्लिट हो गई थी, इसमें कुछ जैसे भूल भुलैया ना, आपने फिल्म देखी होगी भूल भुलैया, उसमें उस तरह से कुछ लीडर देखने को लग रहा है सिंडिकेट्स के हैं, but they are working for Congress R, and some leaders are there, they are related to R, they are working for syndicates. तो such type of incident we have seen, ये देखने को मिलता है presidential elections में. What happened? Zakir Hussain was the president at that time of India. Suddenly his death was there. Due to his death, presidential elections are at hand. Right? Now, Indira Gandhi being brilliant played his game, and syndicates also tried to play their own game while electing the president. Right? And you know that when in between there is any election, so these election can be managed within the party, within the those leaders. So what happened? This syndicator nominated, Indira Gandhi nominated his this one Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, right? And make this one V.V. Giri an independent candidate. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy from Congress, V.V. Giri as an independent candidate. Now अब syndicates की समझ में नहीं आ रही थी ये बात कि is she favoring syndicates, is she favoring Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy or V.V. Giri, right? So what was their internal matter? She had made some setup over there, right? And when election were held, due this ballot paper और कुछ MPs MLAs के जो votes करवाए गए regarding that, V.V. Giri filed his nomination as independent candidate. She also announced several big and popular policy measures like nationalization of the 14 leading banks. Very major change was done and one more thing was that their abolition of privy purse. Privy purse was the system prevailing in India. Initial, you have heard about princely states, right? So they have some amount in their hands that is collected as a form of revenue. That means a treasury lies with them only. So Indira Gandhi abolished that. She wanted to gain support from the common citizen during these elections also, as well as the leaders. She abolished this, nationalized the banks, and whatsoever two more challenges she had to face. She had to make herself independent from the syndicates, as well as she had to work towards the regaining ground that Congress lost in 4th general election 1967 in different states. We have heard previously 9 out of 9 states, this one Congress was washed away from there. If you take train from Howrah to Delhi, you will not get any state of Congress there. That was in a way very shameful thing for the Congress, that is so old party, so working, present in ruling, and there were some citizens who never saw any other government except than this Congress. Even Congress leaders, especially Mrs. Indira Gandhi, was somewhat not एक्सेप्टिंग दिस थिंग. ऐसा भी कभी हो सकता है कि कुछ स्टेट में कांग्रेस की गवर्नमेंट ही ना हो, एंड इवन शी वॉज स्केयर्ड, शी वॉज अफेयर्ड फॉर द फ्यूचर ऑल्सो कि दिस टाइम इलेक्शन में 9 स्टेट्स में कांग्रेस को डिफीट देखना पड़ रहा है, तो आने वाले टाइम में हो सकता है 9 और स्टेट हो जाएंगे तो 18 हो जाएंगी. इट मीन्स टोटल अबॉलिश्ड. देन व्हाट विल बी टू हैपन टू दिस कांग्रेस सिस्टम? Somehow she want to maintain, she want to proceed further the previous history of the Congress. So she had to work here very mindfully, and she did this during the presidential elections. Right? Being Congress leader, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy was defeated by this V.V. Giri, and you may see that V.V. Giri has raised his hand like a boxer. Means a boxer that showed a strength. In your book there is a cartoon showing this strength, victory and defeat of these leaders that proved that how mindfully Indira Gandhi has had worked to maintain his position, to maintain his party position, and to maintain the history of the Congress, not only in the center level but other states also, and vice versa. Means not only in the states but in the center also. She don't want to lose his power at any cost. She even launched one 10-point program, abolition of Jamindara system, to eradicate poverty, to give employment to the people, citizens, urban property, general insurance, nationalization, property and income sources, public distribution PDS system, ration card system. She had implemented midday meal programs, land reforms, and employment to the rural people, different hi-fi agendas she has given here during 67 election that are falling for the presidential. She was preparing for that, for the coming election, but it is suddenly due to the death of Zakir Hussain, Mr. Zakir Hussain, our former president. तो आफ्टर दैट उनका जो खेल था वो बना बनाया खेल खेलने में वो लोग सफल हो गए, और वी.वी. गिरी वॉज द प्रेसिडेंट, इलेक्टेड प्रेसिडेंट एट दैट टाइम 69 to 74. ही वॉज फ्रॉम आंध्र प्रदेश, हाई कमिश्नर, लेबर मिनिस्टर भी रहे हैं वो यूनियन कैबिनेट में, गवर्नर ऑफ यूपी भी रहे थे, गवर्नर ऑफ केरला भी थे, एंड वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑल्सो आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ President Zakir Hussain. Then he worked with Indira Gandhi from this party. So in this way there was a split in the Congress party, and this one there was differences between this issue, Prime Minister and Morarji Desai, on this issue, and Morarji Desai left the government. That was also big change there. Please keep it in mind. In next chapter you have to mention these changes. Morarji Desai left the government. He was not happy with this system, and in this way Congress had seen different type of differences in these past years which took place during the presidential elections. Then the Congress presidents Nizala Gappa issued a whip asking questions, okay, Congress from MLAs and MPs to vote in the favor of Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, but it was known as re-questionist. After that AICC Indira Gandhi also included in that. That's why this faction came to be known as re-questionalist. VV Giri and Prime Minister openly called for conscience vote, which meant that MPs and MLAs Congress should free to vote the way they want. The election ultimately resulted in the victory of VV Giri, जो मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बता दिया था, the independent candidate, and defeat of Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, the official Congress candidate. This defeat created more differences, more split in Congress. Congress president expelled Prime Minister from the party. She claimed that her group was real Congress, but by November 1969, Congress group led by syndicates came to be referred as Congress O, and Indira Gandhi referred as Congress R. Indira Gandhi projected the split as an ideological divide between socialists and conservatives. She called it socialists and conservatives. That is different theories you have heard about, why different type of revolution between the pro-poor and pro-rich. Socialist for pro-poor and conservatives for pro-rich people. Story doesn't ended here. This is the split in Congress and presidential election. How syndicate, Congress R, Congress S, they have worked during this chapter, and they have abolished privy purse, and this is all about today. Take care, stay home, stay safe, and keep on revising and memorizing. Prepare notes, it is must for you people. Dear students, take care.